Good morning children, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about types of chemical reactions. And before I begin with types of chemical reactions, let me just recall that from the junior classes we have been studying this, that a chemical change is a permanent change in which the chemical composition of a substance is changed and one or more new substance with different chemical composition and different properties are formed. So in chemical change, it is a permanent change. So here, let's begin with the types of chemical reaction. The very first reaction is known as combination reaction, or it is also called synthesis. Then the second reaction is called decomposition reaction. Second type is decomposition. Third type is single displacement and fourth one is double displacement. And there is one more type of reaction that is also called combustion reaction. So here you can see children that combination reaction where this two or more, sometimes more than two reactant, you can say, combine together to form a product. And the second one is decomposition reaction. First one is direct combination or synthesis reaction. It is a reaction in which two or more than two substances combine together to form a product. So this is A plus B gives a combination AB. That is C plus O2 gives CO2. Second reaction is called decomposition reaction. So decomposition reaction is a reaction in which a compound splits into or two or more simpler substances, and that is called decomposition reaction. You can see children, it is just opposite of combination. Combination or synthesis reaction where two or more than two elements join together to form a product, and here one reactant is splitting and gives two or more than two products, and it is splitting into two more than two simpler substances. Now the third type of reaction is called the third type of reaction is called single decomposition reaction. So you can see here single displacement reaction and single displacement reaction. It is a reaction where the particular substances is displaced by someone else, or you can say it is a substitution reaction also. So displacement reaction where this A is joining with C and forming AC and B is getting separated in the product one. So this displacement reaction where this comes with this and giving this. So A plus BC giving AC plus B. So this is the example of single displacement reaction. Okay, this is called single displacement reaction. And what happens in the double displacement reaction where both of them exchange together, that is AB plus CD gives AD plus BC. So this is a type of chemical chain in which two compound in a solution react to form two new compound by mutual exchange of radical. Now we will see few examples of combination, decomposition, single displacement and double displacement. So the very first one is combination where zinc is combining together with chlorine gives zinc chloride. Then iron is combining with sulfur gives iron sulfide. So these are the reaction where it is combining. Now see this decomposition reaction where one is splitting into two or more than two simpler substances. Here ammonium chloride is splitting into ammonia as well as hydrogen chloride. Then water is splitting into hydrogen and oxygen. So they are splitting into two or more than two substances. That is the example of decomposition. Now next is single displacement. So here you can see zinc is combining with copper chloride, and here you can see that zinc is combined with chlorine and copper has been separated. So this is zinc plus this chlorine combines with zinc, that is A plus BC will give you AC plus B. Now next example, magnesium is reacting with hydrogen iodide and giving magnesium iodide and hydrogen. So this is the example of single displacement reaction. A plus BC gives AC plus B. Double displacement where both of them are exchanged, that AB plus CD gives AD plus BC. So here silver nitrate plus potassium bromide gives, this Br comes with silver, this metal. It means here is an exchange of non-metal part. So this non-metal is coming with this metal and this non-metal is coming with this metal. So here it is combining together, gives silver bromide and potassium nitrate. AB plus CD gives AD plus BC. Another example, HCl plus NaOH gives sodium chloride plus water. This chlorine is combining with OH, Na, and this OH comes with H. So this OH plus H becomes H2O, and this Cl combines with sodium gives NaCl. So this was it, children, for this type of reactions. So all four type of reactions are combination, decomposition, single displacement, double displacement. One more reaction is a combustion reaction where the heat is required. Okay, combustion reaction. So CXHY, you can say it is a hydrocarbon. Any number of carbon, any number of hydrogen, and it is a hydrocarbon where we have taken CH4 where 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen is there. It is reacting with oxygen, gives CO2 plus H2O. Then here propane, C3 plus H8 we have taken. It is reacting with oxygen. Reacting with oxygen, it means the oxygen is required for combustion. Now classify each of the following as a combination, decomposition, single displacement, double displacement or combustion reaction. So children, this is a task for you that you just keep answering with this. I have shown you this example. What is the example of this? Carbon is reacting with oxygen and giving one product CO2. So this is what? A combination reaction or a combustion reaction? It is a combination reaction. Next example, CuCl2 plus Na2S gives CuS plus NaCl. So it is what? It is a definitely double displacement reaction. This chlorine is reacting with sodium and this sulfur is coming with copper. Next, this is definitely a decomposition reaction where one reactant is splitting into two products. So this is a decomposition reaction. So this was it. I hope you enjoyed the class, children, and you practice them. Thank you. Have a nice day.